up there at the corner.
Yeah, right now?
A couple times a month ago. The protesters up there.
I think it's recording.
For and against. Yeah, for Trump and against Trump.
Anyways, okay, you ready to go, guys?
Yeah.
Let me shut the garage.
That was telling me, yes, he's right.
Can I make it?
Oh, no, he didn't.
He doesn't like that, does he?
You want me to do it?
I got it. I'll go to the restaurant.
Oh. Wherever, yeah, I guess we'll go down.
Okay, do you guys want to just go down to the boardwalk, or?
Yeah, the boardwalk down and then to our place.
Okay, you want to follow me, or you guys know the way?
I'll follow you.
So do you have a blog or something that you do all that stuff? You know how we see on TV these people that
Yeah, I got, a YouTube. Elwolf is my YouTube site, and it's got a bunch of dumb videos. No editing at all. I mean, I just take them and I post them. So I actually have a video of those protesters that you were talking about.
Yeah.
I got a whole video. I drove through them with my bike like this.
Uh-huh.
And I got them, chanting, I don't even like the pedal assist myself. I like it just off. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We got a lot of.
I like you that bike because I don't like this thing. I'm short.
I gotta adjust the seat, man.
I like that.
Just a second here.
What I like about that bike. What I like about that bike. What I like about that is it has that.
Okay.
I should have black one, huh?
Okay, should we go through town, or you want to go out of town?
Not through town.
Okay, let's go this way. Nah, we're good. Okay.
We want to get to First Street.
Yeah, it's right here. And then you cross over, right?
Yeah, gotta cross over. We're like 2 minutes away.
Yeah.
You know where I made the mistake? I went up that street. Yeah, I should have.
Yeah.
Come back right here.
Okay, so now we cross. You want to just do a jaywalk? Oh, we cross here?
Yeah.
Okay. If we get hit, it's going to be their fault.
Well, like my car.
You can left your wife behind. Oh, here she is. I normally go through the crosswalk.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was right here with that electric wagon, right in front of here.
What happened?
When I was testing that wagon out, I like started over there and got in it and just drove in front of all these RVs. I didn't realize they were watching me, but then as soon as I got in and started driving it, they saw me pulling it, so they didn't know it was electric.
Yeah, that's good.
Then I got in it, and I think they didn't know what I was doing, but I got in it, and then it started moving on its own with me in it. That's when I started hearing the cheers. Okay, is this yours?
Yeah.
What do they charge you for the space?
Seniors, $55 a night.
Not bad.
No, I got them here for.
No, that's great.
This is my little. See, right in front of those.
Yeah, this is great, man.
They parked here earlier, they left early.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. They've been coming and going this weekend.
Stay there.
Oh, you got a dog too, eh?
Yeah, that's why we got this.
He doesn't run away, does he? Oh, you got 2 dogs.
Yeah, we got 2 little guys.
We don't have any grandkids or anything, and our kids are gone, so.
Yeah.
We want to get a big one.
Oh yeah. Wow. Those are